Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As a parent, I know how overwhelming it can be to keep our kids' clothes organized. Today I am excited to share with you my simple and practical tips on how to organize your kids' clothes. Let's get started. So first is sorting and purging. First thing first, let's sort through our kids' clothes and get rid of anything that's stand turn or no longer fits. This is the perfect opportunity to declutter and make some space in their closet. Second is categorizing and grouping. Now that we have purged our kids clothes, let's categorize and group them into different sections. For example, we can group all their t-shirts and together and all their pants together and so on. And third is using storage containers to keep our kids clothes organized. We can use storage container or bin to store item like socks, underwear and accessories. Label each bin so our kids know what's inside. And fourth is creating a closet system. Now let's creating a closet system that's work for our kids. We can use self hooks and rope to maximize store space and make it easy for our kids to find what they need. And that's it. With these simple and practical tips, you can keep your kids clothes organized and make morning a breeze. Remember, the key is to create a system that work for your family and to involve your kids in the process. Thanks for organizing with me. If you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more parenting hacks, organization tips and mom lives inspiration. Till then, bye, take care, guys. Thank you for watching my video.